I just thought it'd be interesting to show you the back of the department. This is actually behind the Amazon tank, and we've got a lot of different systems here which feed the Amazon tank. We've got a big water holding unit here which contains all the water for the sprays, and since we set it up quite a few months ago, it's actually thriving now. We've got loads of plants have gone absolutely wild. The animals are loving it. We've put quite a few new animals in there. Most of them are Central American, but there's a few South American species in there as well. And the plants have just took over. The animals are breeding, they're laying eggs. They've got poison dart frogs actually developing and laying eggs actually in the tank in situ. I just thought it'd be interesting perhaps just to show you 2 or 3 different species and specimens that we put in, if we can find them. So if you want to just have a quick look in here, and I'll go in there and I'll show you 2 or 3 different things that we've got in there, which are pretty cool. So yeah, you can see just how dense and how thickly planted it is now. It's just gone crazy, but the animals are absolutely loving it. It's just like being in the rainforest, it really is. We have a little Pamilio just disappearing there. So we've got a lot of small frogs in here. We've also got quite a lot of large frogs in there as well. And this particular species is a species that occurs in the Amazon area, and it's a giant monkey frog. This is Medusa bicolor. This is a male specimen here. You can see how large he is compared to my hand. And again, he's absolutely thriving in here. He's putting on a lot of weight, and absolutely stunning frogs. You can hear the frogs calling in the background. Species of Aratus, Dendrobates aratus, that we've got in here, and this particular form comes from Panama, Elko Pay, and they've just took off the breed and the laying eggs and depositing the tadpoles in bromeliads. Just at the back there. These tend to be bronze rather than black, which you find in Costa Rica. Let's see if there's anything else we can find. So I've got some rocket frogs in here from Trinidad, which are another species of Dendrobate, that belong to the same family as some of the other poison dart frogs. We've also got a lot of anoles in here as well. This is a little anole. And they're laying eggs as well. So it's gone a bit crazy. Everything's breeding. All the plants are doing really well as well. There's a little Pamilio here. This is his favourite spot. He hangs around this bromeliad here that's full of water. And we can watch these breeding, calling to each other. There's another one there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful little frogs. Absolutely love staying around these bromeliads. It's just perfect for them. We've also got a little pool down here, which is a natural sort sort of rainforest pool. Well, we've got some tadpoles developing, and we've put some yellow-eyed leaf frog tadpoles in there at the moment, developing in there. They're small to see. And in some of the bromeliads around the outside, we've got quite a few poison dart frogs laying their eggs. There's an all there, female. Actually, in here we've got some tadpoles. That's where they drop the tadpoles in the back there. These have laid more eggs. I'm not sure if you can see this. I'll try and tip it there without disturbing them too much. These are the eggs that have been recently laid, and there's a little frog in there. You can see. Just in the back there. He's looking after those. And then there's tadpoles in there, which you probably won't be able to see if it's too dark. Orchids again. A lot of these are thriving, just budding up, ready for blooming. So it really is. It's been a fantastic success. The frogs are absolutely loving it, and the visitors are loving it too.